Like the whole year, almost. If you could get in front of them, I think the quality and the caliber of attendees as far as the delegates is really good. And those are the kind of people that it'd be, I think, difficult to make direct appointments with. It was very efficient. The time we spent on the phone and the pre-meeting calls and stuff were right to the point and didn't waste our time and accomplished what I think he needed to do to prepare us for the delegate meeting, so it was good. Well, I would just say that it's going to be an opportunity for them to also make some new connections, particularly at a level that they might not be able to attain outside of the event. And there will be a different group from our company coming. I might come next year, but I look forward to having some of our senior salespeople attend the event next year. So.